Hi, it's Ilse, and I'm really excited to let you know the Irish Cello Retreat is being held here in Ireland in June. If you're ready to learn Irish cello in a really fun way with me and a small group of like-minded cellists, then this is going to be great. Maybe you're new to Irish cello and you're looking for some inspiration and guidance, or you've been playing for a while and you've hit that wall, you're looking for a breakthrough, or maybe you just live so far away from everyone else you just want to get together and play in a really cool and inspiring environment. Well, that's what this workshop is all about. It's going to help you to become an inspired and confident cellist. We're going to do that together using 6 power sessions, and they're based on I've been in Ireland over 16 years and spent many years before that learning Irish music and immersing myself and growing up with it. And each workshop focuses on different areas of Irish playing, so I'll just talk you through those. First is fast tunes. This is like polkas and reels we're focusing on. This is all about getting some great tunes together. We're going to do them by memory. We're going to work them up to speed. And we're going to work on really loosening up the right hand, the bowing, and really getting these fingers fast. So anything that's been stopping you from playing fast, any tensions, we're going to work on that. We're going to get the technique really going and really firing. Workshop 2 is about accompanying the fast tunes. Here we learn how to accompany these fast tunes, because often in a session you'll be sitting there and you can play a few tunes, sure, but then you're going to be mostly accompanying. So we're going to learn about pizzicato, chopping, rhythms, all the different ways you can accompany Irish music. We're going to also develop the art of ensemble playing in this, and we're going to get a great rhythm, a great feeling, and I'll teach you how to expand these techniques. The third workshop I am going to so enjoy, because they are my favourite, are the slow airs. And we look at the gentle art of playing slow airs. So we're looking at how to make these slow airs sound really authentic. We really want them to sound Irish. And it's that beautiful turn of phrase and the ornamentation. And I can help you find a way to get that sound going. It also helps with your tone production in any music you play. And also we're looking at helping you to find your unique voice on the cello. Workshop 4 is about arranging a slow air. So we'll look at some simple slow airs, and we'll look at how to create your own arrangements using embellishment, variation drones, extended techniques, something experimental. It's bringing it into your environment, your world of music and sound. And we'll be getting together in groups of 2 or 3 as well to prepare for the final performance, which I'll talk about later. And then workshop 5 is about putting it all together. This is where we're going to put the fast tunes and the accompaniment, and we'll make sets with the tunes. We might even add a slow air in one of the sets. And this is all about how to start and end tunes and how to join them together, how to lead that in a session. So all the things you have to know in a session that you might not know if you're not doing them regularly, so you feel really great when you get into a session. You can really be part of it. We'll also look at nerves and how to deal with that and how to remember tunes. Workshop 6, this is fantastic. It's called Meet a Master, and this is where you meet Matt Cranich, and he's an expert Irish fiddle player. He's got a wealth of experience, and he's going to help you with lots of tips, direction from his experience. He's really a master, and it's really exciting to be working with him. I'm so glad he can come along. And I'll be working with him beforehand, actually, to integrate what the tunes we're playing and what he's going to work with you. So that's your 6 power sessions, and it's going to give you new repertoire. Is going to help you get inspiration to create your own arrangements, and it's going to give your playing a really authentic sound. So on top of this all, we have a session with Lisa Peterson. She's a body mark specialist. She helps us to go through our whole body and our muscle systems, and she guides you to look at how the muscles work, and it's like she is a magician, and she will help your body relax and help it feeds through into your playing, because if you can feel in connection with your cello totally relaxed and totally unified, then you're going to sound amazing. So it's all happening here in June in Ireland. We'll be dining together. The food's fantastic. There's like the area's renowned for its produce. We'll go to a session in Middleton. We'll go to dinner in Middleton. We'll go into Cork. We'll go to a session there. We'll be having our own big session where we'll perform the pieces we've learnt in the week. And we'll have some local musicians come in and join us in the library in Garryvoe Hotel on the last night. When you sign up, I'll get you started on the bonuses. I'll send you straight away Trad on Cello. It's a digital copy of my Fast Tunes book. I'll post you the DVD Living the Tradition, which is my journey through Ireland looking for the history of 10 Irish tunes. And the next bonus, I'm really happy to offer this. This is giving you lifetime membership to my Irish Airs for Solo Cello course, which is going to get you straight away started on learning Irish airs. Also, I'll be recording every session so that you have access to this after the course. This is great, so invaluable. So if you've missed something or if you just want new inspiration again, you can go back to the recordings and have a listen and see what you missed, see what's there. So if you have any questions, just go on the little Have Any Questions button below, it's red, and ask me anything you need. Don't worry if you're a beginner to Irish music, that's what it's all about. You're going to learn really how to sound authentic. You need to play the cello, you need to know how to play the cello of course, but you don't need to be a master to master Irish tunes. Also, I'm limiting it to only 10 places. This means you get really personalised, focused attention, and I really want it to be an intimate time where we can really work in this beautiful space. It's got sea views, it's light, it has a great sound. It's a really good space to be inspired. So make sure you get in early to reserve your place. And if you've got any questions, just let me know. So it's going to be absolutely fantastic. I look forward to working with you and helping you with your cello playing so you can get the most out of this retreat that you can. And plus, if you sign up before May the 1st, then you get a half-hour lesson before the retreat, Skype lesson, and after the retreat we'll have another Skype lesson to follow up on what you've learnt, and if you've had any questions, that's completely free. To recap, it's all taking place June the 11th to the 15th in Garryvoe Hotel, East Cork, Ireland. It's a beautiful part of the world. You're invited. It's going to be beautiful. Everything's included, breakfast, lunch, dinners, and a session where you get to perform, which will be a highlight. We're going to have a lot of fun playing together. So that's it. When you click here, you'll go to a safe and secure payment site. You can pay by credit card or PayPal, and then I'll email you and we can get started with having a consultation over Skype about what you need to prepare. This is all about inspiration, having fun, learning new tunes, and getting really relaxed and really happy with your playing. So I'm really looking forward to it. Click the green button below and let's get started on Irish Cello.